Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a natural looking eyebrow tutorial. You just need three things. You just need a clear eyebrow setter. This one is from Benefit, and a brow pencil. This one is from Rimmel in black brown, and a concealer. I use the Cool Tan from the Pro Concealer. Let's get right into it. I will start off using the brow setter. It's a clear gel. What I do these days is I use this one first to brush my eyebrows. Same thing on the other side. When you use this brow setter, like your brows, they won't move. So I use this first because when I then use my eyebrow pencil, it just sticks, and as you can see I have full eyebrows. So what I have to do is just use little strokes to fill any gap in, so I won't have to do too much. First of all, I'll draw a line, just gently. Don't use heavy hand. And then I'll start with the little strokes, just filling in where I feel like there is no hair. And then this side. That's all done. I'll be using the gel setter to just brush it, and before using the concealer. Then I'll be using a brush like this with the concealer. What I do, I put it on my hand and then take from there. Just take a little. Look how it is. Just the smallest amount, because you don't want a harsh line. Like, nobody wants to be looking like a masquerade. Let's go to this side. and then I just use the rest to blend. You have to blend, no harsh lines. So this is the final look. It's looking natural. I don't know if you have noticed, I didn't do anything on top. Like, I just wanted it to look natural. You know, your natural lashes, they normally just you know, brush out like this without any, you know, extra stuff going on or concealing on top. It's quick and easy. I hope you can do this at home. Leave a comment if you have any questions.